Hello everybody, today I'm going to tell you guys what's included inside DJI Mavic Mini box. But before I do so, I gotta say that DJI did an incredible job of creating this drone. Now this drone is only 249 grams, which means there is no need to register your drone with the Federal Aviation Administration registration. I'll be talking more in details about drone registration and regulation in my next videos. Now let's get back to unboxing this. First item that we're taking out is the actual quadcopter. It does look like the shrink version of Mavic Pro. Yep. And it is tiny. It is tiny and beautiful. Now, on the actual unit itself, you get your gimbal cover, your 3-axis gimbal, and in the back, that's where the battery goes. Now remember, the weight is with the battery itself. The next item is your controller. The controller looks like the Pro controller without the display. Here are the folding antennas. Now inside you get your controller sticks, which I'm assuming I have the other one, which should be somewhere around here. Doesn't matter, I'll find it. Now inside this box, the first item should be your USB cable charger. And then you get a set of screwdriver, well actually a screwdriver. That's not to open your Mavic Mini in parts, is to change your propellers if you need to. Now remember, when you're changing the propellers, these are the lock screw. The screw itself needs to be replaced as well. The next set is your controller stick spares. And you do get a set of two propeller replacement with the screws. So there are 4 individual propellers and 4 individual screws. And the last item is your RC cable. Now remember, this drone connects your phone to the controller through the cables. There is no Wi-Fi connection needed. The first cable is the lightning speed Apple, and the second one is a Type-C, and the third one is a micro USB. Now, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please do comment down below and I'll be happy to answer your questions. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.